We do apologise for that delay. This is proven. We need to get this train moved in service. Still remains in place. This on Cornwall Police Bus Services 27, 56, 26 and 9, and Stagecoach Bus Services 8, 10, 11, 20 and E2.
The 2017 Helen. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1958 Helen Azuma service to Edinburgh.